तो टेंसर क्या होता है? टेंसर एक मल्टी डिमेंशनल डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है जो कि न्यूमेरिकल कंप्यूटेशन में यूज होता है। एंड नाउ लेट मी शो यू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसर विद एग्जांपल। नाउ लेट्स से आपके पास टेम्परेचर का एक ही डेटा है तो उसको 0D टेंसर बोला जाता है, उसको स्केलर भी कहते हैं। नाउ जब मल्टीपल कांस्टेंट वैल्यू एक वेक्टर में स्टोर कर देते हो तब वो बन जाता है 1D टेंसर। जैसे कि यहाँ पे हार्ट का डेटा जो कि मल्टीपल है और एक वेक्टर में स्टोर किया है, उसी को बोलते हैं 1D टेंसर। Now if we collect multiple vector into one list then it becomes the 2D tensor. It is also called as a matrix. और यहाँ पे जैसे कि हम IQ, CGPA और एज हर एक स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जब एक लिस्ट में स्टोर करते हैं then that becomes the 2D tensor और it is also called as matrix. Now 3D tensor is nothing but the collection of 2D tensor. If we store student IQ, CGPA and age for several semesters then it becomes the 3D tensor. Now let's say for 4D tensor we have one image. An image has 3 color channels R, G and B and each channel is represented as 1200 into 800 pixels. So for 3 channels that will become 3 into 1200 into 800 which becomes the 3D tensor. So you can think of it like you have for one image you have 3 2D tensor and that becomes the 3D tensor, and that was only for one image. Now just think you have 50 images in one data set, then it will become 50 into 3 into 1200 into 800 which becomes the 4D tensor. So video is the best example of 5D tensor. So in one video let's assume that you have 60 seconds. Video plays on 30 frames per second. And so for that in one frame there will be 3 channels, right? And video resolution is 480 into 720, then that becomes 3 into 4 into 720 for one frame, right? And now calculate how many frames we have in 60 seconds, and that will be 1800, like 60 into 30 fps, that will be 1800. So that becomes 1800 into 3 into 4 into 80 into 720, and that becomes our 4D tensor. And now assume that you have 4 videos in one data set, then it becomes 4 into 1800 into 3 into 480 into 720, and that becomes the 5D tensor.